Hello everyone, welcome to Job Simplify channel where we provide latest off-campus job updates and internships. So there is a very good hiring from Flipkart, CGLIA and Majestic. So this is a direct hiring where you have to directly submit your resume, and according to your resume you will be directly selected or you will be only appearing for the HR interview. Experience required is 0 to 2 years, so freshers are eligible. So let's see more details about the job. So the first hiring update is from Flipkart. Flipkart is hiring for the position of HR recruiter for Delhi location. So talking about the job role, then basically you will be involved in the recruitment process. You will be performing as a team leader. You will be also required to make reports related to delivery and the hiring process. Salary will range from 20 to 25k in hand. So if you are a graduate and seeking for a job, then you must apply for this job by sending your updated resume to the mail ID mentioned. Either you are in the final year or you have recently completed, you can apply for this opportunity. Second hiring update is also from Flipkart. They are hiring for the position of team leader in 5 locations: UP, Delhi, Rajasthan, Uttarakhand and Punjab. So any graduate or postgraduate in any branches or field can apply for this opportunity, where you will be directly involved in the supply chain management and supervising role. You will be also required to make reports related to transaction and the cash collection day to day. Salary will range from 20 to 25k in hand. So if you are graduate or postgraduate and seeking for any job, then you must apply for this job by sending your updated resume in the mentioned mail ID. Third hiring update is from Majestic. So basically talking about the Majestic company, then it is a real estate company where they are hiring for the role of sales executive and telecaller. So if you are a recent graduate and seeking for a sales related job, then you can apply for this opportunity where there is a direct walk-in interview. So only you have to carry your hard copy of your updated resume. So if you are open for sales related job, so this is an opportunity for you. Fourth hiring update and the last hiring update for this video is from CGLIA Solutions. So they are hiring for the role of Java developer for 0 to 2 years of experience. So talking about the qualification, then if you are currently pursuing or have recently completed your BE, BTech, ME, MTech from computer science or related field, then you can apply for this Java developer role, where you should be having good problem solving and analytical skills with a knowledge in OOPS concept and data structures and algorithm. So this role is open for Hyderabad location. So if you are someone whose preferred programming language is Java, then you must apply for this opportunity, where you have to directly send your updated resume at the mentioned mail ID. So these were the 4 hiring updates. This is a direct hiring opportunity where any graduates with any field with no minimum percentage criteria can apply for this opportunity. So all the opportunities are open for direct hiring. So if you are seeking for a job, then you must apply. And also share with all your friends those who are in search of jobs, and consider subscribing our channel to receive more off-campus job updates. Thank you.